Merry Christmas, guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Doris from Crafting My Way. Today I will be doing videos on all kind of Christmas decorations, DIYs, all going to be on a budget. A lot of things I got from the Dollar Tree, from Hobby Lobby, from Amazon. I'm just going to show you, and it will be in my description everywhere where I got everything from. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so every time I do a video, YouTube will notify you. Thank you. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. And I just want to say Merry Christmas again to everyone and hope everything is well. Now right here, I'm going to be doing 3 small, quick Christmas decors that won't take you long at all. And this is the top of a Christmas box that I had. I used the box actually to use, it has a container for the Christmas mailbox. So I have here the crafting paper that I got from the Echo Parks company, and it will be in my description information regarding that. So I decided I would just do a little something with the top, and with a lot of our small little decors like this, you know, we could put it in a tier tray or sit it on a table or whatever. So I decided just to make a small little decor with it. So, and I did end up putting it in one of my tier tray, and I think it came out kind of cute. And this is the finishing of my tray. I think it came out so cute. Okay guys, and right here I'm going to make a Christmas pillow out of the I had these from last year, the table mats. So I decided to make a Christmas pillow out of this, in which I've made them before. Each year I make a couple of Christmas pillows from the placemats that they have, because they're so beautiful. I really love it. This year, last year I didn't do anything with it, so I decided, well, I'm going to make a couple of nice little Christmas pillows out of it, and it did turn out nice. One thing I did notice, that they're not even, the same size or whatever. So I did end up stuffing them, and I took some of the little stuffings that I had in the last year. I got, not last year, I'm sorry, for Thanksgiving, for the fall, I had made heck pillows, but I did order those covers from Amazon, and I didn't make them, for the fall. But this year I decided I would just do my Christmas pillows. And you can always throw it on the sofa or wherever with your with your other Christmas decors, and that's what I did. I just glued it all around and added it to my to my sofa, along with the other Christmas decors that I had. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. If you would have done something different with it, I just welcome all ideas. I just you really do. Sometimes I give out the things to think of, what would I like to do next or whatever. And so they do turn out to be cute. Something just very simple that don't take you but a second to really do. So I really thought it was nice that they came out nice. And I'm just taking the stuffing that I had from the fall pillows and put them back in here. But it does come out nice. And this is the finishing of the pillows, and I think they came out quite cute. So I'm gonna jump into my next video. Okay guys, and right here I have 2 jars that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use Mod Podge on the outside of it. And I also have Epsom salt. I have it in a different little container, but I have the Epsom salt that I'm going to put on the outside of it, and then I will add also glitter on top of it and a little Christmas pick on the outside and little candles inside. And this is the Epsom salt that I put it in another little container because I bought it I think from the Dollar Tree, and it was in a bag, so I just thought I'd put it in this container here and just add glitter. And it's so many wonderful things with these jars that the Dollar Tree have that we can do so many projects with. I made a lantern out of one of them, which you can see. I will have that in my description, a link, so you can just look at, if you like, to see how I made the lantern out of the same jars here. And I also noticed that some people, add them to like their sweet or candy little bar that they have set up, put marshmallows, peppermints, or whatever in those, and you can do so many wonderful things with these jars. And I thought it came out really, really cute, and I just really enjoyed making them and working with the jars. You can do so many. And I also have 2 jars similar to this that I use for my sugar and coffee creamer, for my coffee bar. So I really like the little jars with the lids. You can do so many wonderful things with them. And guys, please let me know. I'm sure you have gotten these jars from the Dollar Tree, but can you just comment below in my description box and let me know, what did you do with your the jars that you use? What kind of decors did you do? And I would like to say once again, Merry Christmas to all my subscribers or visitors. And I just hope you have a wonderful, blessed New Year and a wonderful holiday with your family. It's been a very different one for everyone, but we have to make the best of it and just love on each other and our family, and be an inspiration to our neighbors or others. You never know who's going through what this time of year. And I was going to use this ribbon, but I didn't get it as long as I liked, but I think I ended up keeping it on there. I wasn't for sure whether I wanted to keep it, but I did. And it's one of the ribbons, I had gotten it from Amazon. And so I have a Christmas pick that I just put on there, and I just thought it came out so darn cute. And then sometimes you just have to really, when you put the glue on there, just kind of hold it in place until it gets nice and firm for you. And I thought that was cute. I just really loved it. And with some of these jars, like if you want after the holidays, if you take the Christmas pick off, you can always add something else and just keep the same, decor going. And I add my little LED lights to that, which I got from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was so beautiful. And this is the finishing of my Christmas decor with my little lights here, and it turned out so darn cute. And the next one is where I have the lights off so you can see it better. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.